Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Love is the most beautiful flower in God's garden. With faith in flowers, love flourishes. A wedding is a garden of love and grace. Altar flowers witness our forever love. Hand in hand, hearts in bloom. God's love shines through every petal. At the altar, love blossoms eternally. Every wedding is a bouquet of love and faith. Two souls, one love, blessed among flowers. Our love is as pure as a white rose. Faith, flowers, and forever love. The church is adorned with love and lilies. Altar flowers whisper sacred vows. Blessed love, wrapped in petals and prayers. A wedding is love's most beautiful bloom. With God's grace, love flourishes like a flower. Love's fragrance fills the wedding aisle. The church is a garden of eternal love. Our vows as timeless as blooming roses. The beauty of love shines at the altar. A church wedding where love and faith unite. Like lilies in the church, our love stands pure. With flowers and faith, love stands strong. Roses, vows, and forever love. The aisle is lined with love and flowers. Every petal carries a prayer of love. Faith and love, our wedding's foundation. A church wedding where love finds its roots. Love blooms beautifully at the altar. Like flowers, love is God's masterpiece. Two hearts, one love, blessed at the altar. Walking down the aisle, love in full bloom.